You know, so I'll tell you one small story. When the first time, Masti released way back in 2003, I was too small, so I never understood the jokes only on it. But, then after that, as I grew up, as I crossed 18 and watched it again, then I sort of understood. And then I understood, this is like a very, very good adult comedy. And I've been a very big Masti fan since then. So, are you guys ready to see the Masti trio? नहीं यार, आवाज नहीं आ रही है. 1 second. Are you guys ready? Then please give a huge round of applause for the Masti trio, Aftab, Ritesh, and Vivek.
Wow.
Yes, firstly, big fans of all of you. Please give them all a huge round of applause. This is the amazing Masti trio.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
But we're missing something. We're missing something right now. I think that is the main essence of this thing.
Something or someone?
I think someone, no?
Okay.
I think,
let me start.
Why
by
don't you
saying
take
कि,
over?
Thank you so much कि आप लोग सब यहाँ पर आज आए हो. आज एक बहुत ही अनोखा दिन है हमारे लिए. और मुझे याद है कि जब हमने मस्ती की शुरुआत 2003 में की थी, तब हम तीनों पर एक लड़की का भूत सवार था.
और 2013 में जब हमने ग्रैंड मस्ती की, तब हम तीनों पे 3 लड़कियों का भूत सवार था.
अरे लेकिन जब भी हमने मस्ती की है, कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा उल्टा हो जाता है.
हाँ.
अब देखते 2016 में क्या कांड करते हैं हम लोग. क्या बजर
कांड क
सर उधर देखिए सर.
सर कंपनी का क.
अच्छा, कंपनी
क.
कृष का, काल का क.
अच्छा ठीक है यार.
कंपनी का क.
बजर दबा.
बजर कहाँ है?
वहां पर है.
बजर.
But all three together. Come on.
We are touching.
हाँ, कनेक्शन में.
हाँ, चलिए.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इधर से भेज रहा हूँ मैं इधर से. रेडी?
1 2. Hey, just be careful. 1 2. फट रही है यार. 1 2.
दबाया.
क्या हुआ यार?
क्या हो रहा है?
आप कौन?
Hi,
अच्छी.
I'm Ragini.
रागिनी MMS.
MMS नहीं, SMS. Simple मगर sexy. और मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ ताकि आप सब पे मस्ती का भूत चढ़े. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to all of you,
Great
Grand
Masti. I'd also like to invite the director, Mr. Inder Kumar, on stage, and the producers, Mr. Ashok Thakeria, Aman Gill, Anand Pandit, and Markand Adhikari. Can we have them on stage? Huge round of applause. Sir, that one dialogue you know, I have an idea. We'd all love to see that.
Love you, Nanda. He's actually
Nanda ji, great sound, man. Thank you.
superb. He's actually made that dialogue happen. Oh wow! But this time I have a great, grand idea.
All right, now that we have all of these guys here, I think they deserve a huge round of applause. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. Fantastic. Fantastic. All right. So I'm going to ask Vivek also. How was the experience of working third? This is, I think now it's grander also than ever. Masti is grander than ever. How was the experience working on Great Grand Masti?
It was great grand masti, man. It was great grand masti throughout the set. It was incredible fun during the shoot, and I just love these guys. I love working with them. They're like family to me. This whole team, this whole incredible. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. And it was amazing. It was amazing, and we're really excited about Masti 4. Oops, cat out of the bag. Oops.
Yeah, we will surely make Masti 4.
Yes.
Any ideas for the title?
Later.
So I'm going to ask Sir, who was the naughtiest among all of these three?
Hard to figure out. एक दिन एक होता था, दूसरे दिन दूसरा हो जाता था.
और तीसरे दिन पे तीनों तो?
मस्ती का भूत किस पे कब चढ़ता था पता नहीं चला.
All right, so we'll have some questions from the media also. Can we have a few questions from there?
नाही सेन्सर्ड कॉपीज तुम्हाला दाखवल्या आता.
तरी काय अनुभव करायला काय
कसला
सेन्सॉरचा
चांगला होता. पास केले त्यांनी सगळं.
आणि पिक्चर हा तर ट्रेलर झाला आणि सिनेमा
अहो पाहता येऊ दे ना सगळं आजच दाखवू तुम्हाला.
Yes, next question. Next question.
सॉरी.
No, obviously they've had a lot of fun doing that. You can see that.
कुछ I don't know. I think कुछ चीजें होते जो बिना सोच के करते. This is one of them.
I think it was a kind of.
अगर सोचते तो ये कर ही नहीं पाते.
But Induji was kind of inspired. I mean, he looked at it almost like a modern work of art. He called it Teen Bamdar.
Yes, can we have some more questions? Yeah. Questions.
आफ्ताब
There.
आफ्ताब हियर वो जो नाक डसता है ना आपको
हाय.
या वो जो नाक डसता है ना आपको आई जस्ट हैड अ क्वेश्चन men normally stand to take a leak why would you sit
I wasn't taking a leak. I was taking more than a leak.
Yeah, but why would you think he was taking a leak?
Point. No, but I was taking more than a leak.
Yes. Moving on.
He just loves hugs.
चल इसी बात पे हक दे इसको.
Such huggers I've got.
Yes, I'm going to ask Urvashi also. She's been very quiet. But how was the experience working with these three naughty boys here?
Okay, first of all, thank you so very much to all the members of media and everyone present here. The experience was worthwhile. It is the most challenging character I've ever played till now. This is my third film. I'm so very excited and so thrilled. I'm so very thankful to the trio, be it like Ritesh, Vivek, Aftab, all three of them are amazing co-actors and they supported me in each and every scene and I had a blast shooting for it. And my director especially, Indra Kumar, he's the captain of ship. And I have always adored as a childhood, you know, all his films, be it like Beta, Man, and Dhamal, all these are my favorite films. And Masti has always been my favorite film. And somehow this is the first comedy genre which I'm attempting, and I just hope it turns out to be successful. Also my producer, Ashok Takeria, and everyone, I'm so sorry if I missed out on names. So thank you so much, Indra sir. You are amazing. And I cannot believe that without even, in just like a 5 minutes meeting, how were you able to select and give me such a significant role in the film? I want to ask you, I mean, what made you select me? Because there was thousands and thousands of girls.
इसको देखते ही मुझे लगा कि भूतनी तो यही है. But प्यारी भूतनी.
Yeah, Inderji, I have to ask you, was she so polite on set also? She's a very polite bhoot, yeah, otherwise.
Actually, but जब अपने रूप में आती तब देखना.
Yes, some more questions.
Inder, what is the reason behind not changing the male star cast but we have the female star cast being
कौन
changed
पूछ
for
रहा है?
all?
कौन सवाल पूछ
क्या
रहा है?
तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
कौन है?
प्रॉब्लम क्या है तुम्हारा? कहाँ है? किधर है वो?
What do you mean? Why
किधर है?
should they change?
What's your
Oh.
problem,
कौन
bro?
है?
बैठ के सुसु करने वाले
हम पे क्यों हग रहे हो?
सर प्लीज आंसर.
हाँ जी, क्या क्वेश्चन था भूल गया मैं.
अच्छा है सर, अच्छा है, अच्छा है.
Okay, next question.
एक्चुअली अच्छा क्वेश्चन था.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. अभी हमारी तारीफ होगी शायद.
क्या है कि हाँ वो दो माइक. आफ्ताब, रितेश, विवेक, ग्रैंड मस्ती. क्या है कि ग्रेट. लड़कियां हर टाइम चेंज होती है बिकॉज वो सब एज हो जाती है, बट ये मेरे तीनों एजलेस हैं. कौले आज भी एकदम माइंड ब्लोइंग. ऐसा लग रहा है अभी ओवन से निकाले हैं.
Vivek, a question for you.
Yes, where is this coming from now? Haan, there only, yeah. Vivek bhai, question.
Vivek, a question for you. You know, in the month of October last year, when the shooting of Grand Masti was on in Mehboob Studio, you had a very special visitor, that is Salman Khan. Salman met Aftab, Ritesh, and even Urvashi, but we didn't see him meeting you. What was the reason? Is all well? Friends again?
He wasn't there that time, so
Yeah.
it's okay, right?
Oh, he was there. Everyone saw us. The media was
Really,
there.
you saw?
Of course.
हाँ, आपकी कोई विशेष टिप्पणी? नहीं, क्योंकि 14 साल से तो मैं ये सवाल सुन रहा हूँ अलग अलग रूप में. अगर किसी और को आंसर करना है तो कर दो, मैंने बहुत बार आंसर कर दिए ये. Anybody has any interesting?
Can I please say something? It's between two individuals. I don't think we should interfere.
Yes, and let's
Okay.
keep it to the film
I think
also,
we'll
right?
keep it to the film. Let's talk about the
I
film
mean,
and
it's
Great
about the
Grandmother.
film.
This is not about the film.
You
This
wish
is
it
about
would
two
be.
individuals.
You wish it would be. It's more about your bite, but it's okay.
Okay.
Anyway,
Thank you
any
for
more
your
questions?
How easy?
Do you see him doing anything else? Ever? I was scared when you asked that question. What is he doing in this poster? I was scared for you. I swear. I mean, I love him, but I was scared for
No,
you.
I think it's because the script is written so well, and every line that you say is out of innocence. So if you can portray innocence, even if it is it has a double meaning or it has a certain naughtiness, I think it's palatable. So I think we try to maintain a certain kind of innocence in the characters that we portray while doing a naughty comedy.
Please don't ask us serious questions.
ये प्लीज रिकॉर्ड करके हम लोगों को दे देना, आगे बहुत काम आने वाले.
I know.
ये आंसर्स.
Ritesh, I have a question.
Nothing at all. I think he spoke for all three of us.
Yeah, yeah. And
He's,
also,
he's very good at mouthing dialogues.
And also, Mr. Indra Kumar said, no, we are growing younger every year. So we look more innocent when we do such things. So
Show them your innocent face, Fafu.
Ritesh,
Ji.
I have a question for you. Here.
So yes, sir.
Ritesh, like we all know, in Marathi also you made a film last year and you became quite a popular. Like everyone loved your performance and all. So now when you like make a movie which has such adult content and all, आपको लगता है कि आपकी मराठी audience जो है वो एक like disappoint हो जाएंगी कि आपने एक ऐसा adult movie किया?
No, I don't think so because that released next year after Grand Masti. मुझे लगता है कि as an actor I get an opportunity to do various kind of genres and adult or naughty comedy being one of them. So I don't think I look down upon any genre for that matter. And I'm happy that that Grand Masti was a successful film, and that's the reason we are coming back with Great Grand Masti. And I'm happy that Laibhari was successful, and you know I got a chance to do Ek Villain, which was completely different. That was also did well. So I'm okay. I guess audiences have been very kind towards me, and I thank them all. Thank you.
And to add to that, I mean, just to clarify the air, I mean, Great Grand Masti is a family film. इसे देखने के बाद हिंदुस्तान में families बढ़ेंगी.
Vivek, I have a question for you. Vivek, like पिछले कई सालों से we have not seen you like associated with a big banner. Like everyone who comes in the industry who they want to work with a big banner like Dharma, for example, or Yash Raj, but would we see you working with them with such
I
big
just
banners?
finished a film with a big banner called Maruti and Balaji, and it's going to release on the 22nd of July. It's called Great Grand Masti, and also I also did a big banner film with my buddy here for Yash Raj called Bank Chor, which is releasing in October. And yeah, I'm having a good time.
Hi Ritesh.
Hello.
My question is for you. What do you think about Urta Punjab being leaked and their copies being sold outside Churchgate station?
First of all, it's extremely sad that this thing happens to us as an industry. And any leaks, any kind of piracy hurts, and we bleed the maximum because if I think it's important for even the audience to respect the fact that one shouldn't support any kind of piracy. Having said that, I think the team Urta Punjab have done a great job trying to stop it. And if it is, as you say, that it's available outside Churchgate, please click a picture and send it to Mumbai Police. It's important. So it's up to you. You can do it. If you know it, tweet the picture and say, CP Mumbai or Mumbai Police, here it's available. Help us. So,
Sure.
Yes.
I think that's pretty cool, man.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to ask the boys here. Okay, all the boys. Tell me one memorable incident on the film that on Great Grand Masti that will make it epic.
Fafu?
I'm actually terrible with all this, so I'll give it to him.
No, I think, interestingly, when this film was narrated to me, we all were sitting and toying with the idea, okay, if Induji said, we've cracked an idea, and let's do this film. I think the fact that it's about a ghost in their life, and that changes everything. कि पहले हम लड़कियों के पीछे होते थे, अब लड़की हमारे पीछे हम भाग रहे. So it's a reverse thing in the entire film, and I think that was unique. And while shooting that, there were so many things that happened.
I mean, there are so many anecdotes, to be honest, because I can't say one day was better than the other, because every minute that we all spent together has been invaluable. Like, I mean, when we started, when did it get over? I don't even honestly remember.
So who's the prankster of the group?
He's actually here.
Vivek.
This guy.
No,
This guy. This one.
Urvashi thinks it's Vivek. Aftab thinks it's
Mr. Indra Kumar.
Induji. I think everyone is so nice on the set.
Someone please give him an award.
Ritesh. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. At one point of time, you wanted to steer clear of adult comedies.
Ji.
Then you changed your mind.
Ji.
What made you change your?
The script.
Me.
Me!
Indra Kumar. Induji. I think my love for Indra Kumar is much more than my promises in life.
Hi Ritesh, Aftab and Vivek over here.
Hey, how are you, man?
Good, how are
अच्छा
you?
लग रहा है. दाढ़ी नहीं किया है तूने.
My question to you three is, do you think there can ever be a saturation point for you in this genre?
Of course. Of course there can be.
About 15, 20 years from now.
No,
By the time we
there
do
can be, but the idea is that I think everyone does realize it while you're doing a film that, okay, fine, there could be a saturation point. But when you have something new to offer, there's new humor. And that's what I think Masti 3 or Great Grand Masti offers, because it's a naughty comedy, but in a horror space. So I think that's an interesting space that I don't think any other film in India has been made on this kind of space. And it's great to explore. So there's no saturation in this film for sure.
And even, I'd like to add to that, I mean, Grand Masti was a big success, and we're very appreciative of the kind of response we got from the audience. But all three of us felt, whenever we sat, we watched portions of the film. We used to sit after the shoot was over. We used to watch edited scenes that had just been finished, and Induji and all of us used to sit and have dinner in the evening and watch the movie. And we kept feeling that the spirit of Great Grand Masti, the soul of Great Grand Masti, is a lot like the original Masti, where the humor quotient was extremely high, and there's a constantly entertaining story that kind of sucks you into the whole experience, into the whole film. So I think that's what makes Great Grand Masti a cool film.
And to add on to that question, do you think the judgment by High Court right now, that when they said that the multiplex audience is mature enough to decide what kind of films they want to watch, that will give the producers and directors a creative liberty to explore new things in every particular genre, even in this thing?
Absolutely, and we welcome that decision from the High Court. Kudos to them for allowing actual democracy and actual freedom. I mean, we're in an India where we're allowed to decide who rules the country, but can't decide what film we want to watch. So I'm totally for certification over censorship. And we are all hoping that that's what the next obvious step is going to be from the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. And they're pretty cool. I mean, we had some interaction with them, and they were very helpful and very supportive. So we have no complaints at all.
हम लोग सोच रहे वापस रीसेंसर के लिए भेज दें.
इतना अच्छा experience
we can
था.
add some more scenes. And there can be no saturation on sex comedies. So it will never be, and we'll keep on making it. But I would like to use this platform and thank Balaji for supporting us to make this picture and backing us. I want to thank my friend Anand Bhai, Markan Bhai here, who gave us full support to make this picture, who were with us. Without their Balaji and these guys' support, it would not have been possible. And above all, Ritesh, who had sworn that I will not do a sex comedy, but मेरा मासूम चेहरा देखकर he agreed.
Me too.
And हाँ, ये भी बेचारी आई पहली बार मिलने और मुझे देख के डर गई और भाग गई. 3 महीने तक
सर,
मैं
अक्सर
इसका
लड़कियों के
पीछा
साथ
करता
ऐसा
रहा.
क्यों होता है?
मेरी बीवी इधर बैठी है.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
ये आई, मैं बोला यार यही, जैसे मैंने कहा भूतनी के रोल में इससे बेटर कोई नहीं होगा, ये बहुत अच्छी दिखती है और इससे बेटर कोई नहीं हो सकता. बट फिर ये डर के भाग गई. फिर 3 महीने के बाद मैं इसको ट्रैक करता रहा. हमारे तुषार हीरा नंदानी साहब उनके पीछे पड़े रहे, सोनू साहब भी जानते हैं, और फाइनली इसको पकड़ के लाए, इसको कन्विंस किया कि भाई ये वल्गर पिक्चर नहीं है, ये थोड़ी सी वल्गर है. इतनी वल्गर नहीं जितनी आप सोच रही हैं, एंड लॉट मोर फनी है. फिर इनको फिर कहानी सुनाई और तब ये राजी हुई काम करने के लिए. और मैं ये आपको फ़ख्र से कहता हूँ कि आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम एक बहुत कमाल की एक्ट्रेस के साथ मैंने काम किया है. फैंटास्टिक. ये तीनों तो माइंड ब्लोइंग है, लेकिन ये चौथी भी माइंड ब्लोइंग मिल गई.
हेलो.
थैंक यू.
और हमारी फिल्म में और 3 भी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं जो अभी प्रेजेंट नहीं है, एंड we'd like to say that they were also fantastic to work with. They all did a great job.
So my question is to Urvashi.
Thank you so very much for all those kind words, and it's a very big thing for me. Thank you.
Urvashi, this
Yeah,
side.
there.
I'm Karan Chabra from AVS.
Thank you.
So my question to you is, out of your 3 co-stars, choose one who is very great in real life, one who's very grand in his lifestyle, and one who does the most masti.
Hey brother, this is not Coffee with Karan here. It's a press conference of Great Grand Masti.
That's
Putting
a
her
masti
on a
question.
spot.
That's a masti.
But good question, man. Good question.
Thank you.
What was your question, by the way?
Choose one out of your 3 co-stars.
Okay.
Choose one who is very great in real life,
Okay.
one who lives life in a very grand style,
Okay.
and one who does the most masti.
But all 3 of them are like same. What all characteristics you gave me. They all are great, and they all live their life in a grand way, and they all do loads of masti on set.
She's not winning the hamper. right?
Now you know she was Miss India twice.
And we know she has a political career ahead.
No.
हेलो. इंद्र कुमार जी से है मेरा सवाल.
वहाँ.
हाँ जी, दिख रहा है.
आपने अपने पूरे करियर में एक से एक हिट फिल्म्स दिए हैं, लेकिन आप मस्ती की ही सब सीक्वेंस बना रहे हैं. इसकी कोई खास वजह है?
अभी मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले एक फिल्म अटेम्प्ट की थी, सुपर नानी. तो आपने देखा ना क्या हुआ. तो
सर धमाल भी बनाई थी हम लोगों ने सीक्वल.
अरे बाबा, लेकिन अभी इनका तो ग्रैंड मस्ती से सवाल था ना.
हाँ नहीं कि ग्रैंड मस्ती के अलावा बोला ना आपने.
हाँ, तो अलावा तो वो थी ना अभी. तो मस्ती धमाल ये छोड़ के मैंने कुछ ट्राई किया, तो आपने देखा रिजल्ट क्या है. तो मैं बैक टू ग्रैंड मस्ती आ गया, और मैंने जैसे कहा ना, रितेश को जाके मैंने कन्विंस किया कि तुझे ये फिल्म मेरे लिए करनी ही पड़ेगी मेरे दोस्त.
तो मतलब आपके हिसाब से आज के टाइम में सीरियस मूवीज का कोई दौर ही नहीं है?
नहीं है ना. अभी हो सकता है कि अभी जैसे अभी ये हमारी फिल्म आई निर्जा, लोगों को पसंद आई ना, तो ऐसा कोई जगह नहीं है. नहीं, हर एक के लिए जगह है. मोटे के लिए भी जगह है, दुबले के लिए भी है, अच्छे के लिए भी है, बुरे के लिए भी है.
Yes, we'll take one last question. Last question.
Hi, Indra
from
sir.
there.
I'm Sunil from Movie Talkies. I would like to ask you that last time when Grand Masti came, you enacted scenes for your actors. So did this time also happen the same?
हाँ,
Helping
they pull my leg.
You know
They
what?
tell me कि हमको आप
ये-
परफॉर्म करके दिखाइए
ये
और मैं भी
picture
कैरिड
करते
अवे
ही
हो
खुद
जाता हूँ और
perform करने के
परफॉर्म
लिए।
करता हूँ।
ये फिल्म करते ही है ताकि खुद परफॉर्म करके दिखा सके, तो बोलते कि सर मैं नहीं नहीं तू रुक पहले देख मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा ही करना है तुझे. तो आई बट बाय फार हैविंग वर्कड a lot in comedy space and with some finest directors who understand humor very well, I have to say Induji is at least 10-15 times better actor than all of us put together.
Yes, so
I
true.
agree.
Yes, he
Agreed.
is.
We are not a patch on him when it comes to expressing a scene. You know, in humor, there are a lot of spaces that you can take. And there's timing, there's pauses, and he can utilize everything with expressions. And I think that's brilliant.
So thanks,
Hi,
Ritesh.
Hi, this is Simrita from Filmikari. My question is to the director. This year, onto your left, please.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. This year, we already saw two adult comedies, Masti Zade and Kya Cool Hai Hum. And this is the third installment in Masti. And you've already said there can be no saturation when it comes to adult comedies. But in the previous two movies this year, there were some scenes in the trailer that weren't a part of the movie. So that spoils the whole movie fun. So you think that will happen with Great Grand Masti?
No. What we show in the trailer will be there in the film. Definitely.
Yes, thank you so much. With that, we're going to end this round of questioning. Please give all of them a huge round of applause.
She has one question.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sorry, thank you, Ritesh.
Yep.
And congratulations for your second child.
Oh,
first
thank
of
you.
all. Yeah. So Rian is now 3 years old. So 10, yeah, I
He's-
guess two.
yeah. I
two and a
guess
half.
3, 2.5,
Years
2.
old.
You've done such great homework. Let me tell you, it's 1.5.
Okay, he's 1.5 years old. So 10.
I'm mind reading a question. About 10-15 years from now, when Rian grows up
We leave
you
and
with
he
the
watches
films.
these movies,
Yeah.
what do you feel he's going to feel?
And we also
Isn't that what
know
you're
the
thinking?
answer.
Yeah.
You know, you sound like insurance salesman. देखो सर 15 साल के बाद कुछ भी हो सकता है, आप ये पॉलिसी खरीद लो. It kind of sounds like that.
Do you ever think what he'll feel like? I mean, if 10, 15
I'll let me
years-
tell you, when I do film,
Before you're asking what he'll feel like before he's starring in Masti 21 or after?
If he sees these kind of films, he has done.
okay,
that.
I'll tell you one thing. When I do films, I do it because it's important for me how I feel about the films. Okay? And like you said, I'm sure I'm an actor, I'm making movies, so Rian can watch, I think, 2 years from now, and some after 18 years. Yeah, so great. Let him watch them.
Alright.
If he likes them, fine. If he doesn't like them, that's also fine.
Yes,
But
perfect.
I'm thinking that every person will be an individual to decide for themselves. I'm not embarrassed about any of my work. Thank you.
Yes, perfect.
Good,
Lovely.
good.
Bye.